All right, here we come to the elevators at 24 Greenway Plaza in Houston, Texas.
Is this 24?
These are Otis Lexan from 1981. See which one will it be? Here's this one right here. $20. These are fast. Oh, my ears popped. Button already went out. Let's go outside and ring the bell. Listen. Door clutch just clunked. Down in the lobby. Love that bell. Going down?
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome. Going down?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is your floor.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take it for one more ride. Didn't hear the bell chimes this time. All right, we're gonna end the video at 12 and we'll ride the low-rise elevators. Listen. So yes, guys, this is your annual 2019 update. I'm sorry I've not been uploading much lately because I've been very, very busy with school. But in the meantime, stay tuned for some content that I'm going to be uploading here shortly. So now the door is open. Let's head to the low-rise elevators. There's that one. Here are the low-rise elevators right here. Let's take these for a spin.
No, it's a stupid idea. And there's
All
always
right, perfect time. We got this one right here. This one's a little darker than the high-rise ones. The bells are a lot louder than this one. I mean, the bells are a lot louder than the high-rise ones. Let's go up to 12. Awesome chime. You're going up?
Yes, sir.
I don't mean to get your face. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Your floor?
Second.
I'm an elevator photographer, in case if you're knowing.
Oh, okay, cool.
Have a good day. You're going up? You're going up? All right. We're gonna try to get that one over there. This thing kind of shakes a little bit. Here we're at 12. See if the bell works. Yes, we got this one. Perfect timing. Let's get a spin on this one, shall we? This is by far one of my favorite elevators in this whole building. These are your fixtures. All right, now which floor has that movie chime? I think level, let's try 8. Here we're at 8. All right, let's try it on 10. Still remember this floor? Look at that. Nope, it doesn't do it on here. Actually, let's go down. Let's go down to 9. Try to sample the chime on this floor right here without interruption. Nope, not here. We'll sample the bell chime on 12 and then we're gonna end the video down at the lobby. You're at 12? Listen. Perfect timing. All right, we're gonna end the video down at the lobby. We're gonna go now. So while we're going down, just I want to say, tune in for the upcoming videos I'm going to be uploading. I have several videos I took from College Station with my friend Caroline. I got an elevator shaft ride on the freight elevator here in this building. So yeah, just tune in for all the contents that's going to be uploading here shortly. All right, here we're at the lobby. Going up, anybody? I got the elevator for you.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem. Can't think of a better way to end the video with that bell chime right there. Mechanical bell chime happy. So anyways, that is going to be it. Thank you so much for the ride and hope you all enjoy the video.